people feel a longing for a better life, feel a longing for a meaningful life. And this longing is not even so much clear, it's a little bit under the surface of consciousness. What happens when people come into the process, they start to get in touch deeper with themselves. And get in touch deeper with themselves, they get in touch with the fire. They get in touch with the uniqueness, and these help tremendously to get in touch with their longing. And when you feel the longing deeper, when you feel uniqueness deeper, immediately you start to become clear what can be the direction that you want to have in life, what purpose your life can have, what meaning your life has. You know, before you are very much swimming in the conditioning of the collective, in the condition of your parents, in the condition of society, where people are very much uniform through study, work, married. So we are a little bit like a copy of each other. When you start to work on this very first layer, that usually are held with the mask, usually are held with an idea of who you are, and you start to feel that you're not what you think you are, but you start to feel deeper about yourself, then you start also get in touch with what you really want in this life, what you want to really take yourself in this life. So it helps people to get more in the direction of the uniqueness and what in a unique way can they express into life.